Hey guys, what's happening? This is Martin with Exodus Trading. Just want to go over our trade recap of today, how we're able to make some money in our trading room. It's a free trading room. We go live every morning on YouTube. You can join us at there. We only trade about 2 to 3 hours of market open, just trying to gain, capture that volatility, and just maybe call it a day with that. So it's a free trading room. You guys can message us, like, subscribe, and message below, and be able to see more content like this. Or if you want to be in our trading room, again, it's a free and no cost. And let's go over the trades today. So as market open, we had some crazy price action, a strong move to the top. Wanted to see a pullback, didn't get a pullback. Was waiting for a trade off this level. No opportunity was given. I was continuing to break down. I was waiting for a pullback against the 14,560 level. Again, no pullbacks, just continue going up and down. Crazy, 150 points up, 200 points down, 250 points up. It's just crazy movements. So as it was pulling back, I wanted to see a rejection off this level. Didn't receive nothing. Against the trend line, nothing. When it broke the trend line, again, it was a longer term trend line that was all the way from last night, and wanted to see a push against this trend line so I can take a move up. Didn't get it. Very frustrating because it ran quite nicely, but we were patient, waiting to trade off our levels. Then once it came into this resistance, which now became support, as I was rejecting that, everybody took trades with us in the room. We called it out, and we were able to bank this long, hit both of our targets. Very nice trade. Then as it was pulling back, we had another opportunity. I saw this rejection, and as I took this long, we were stopped out, and according to our rules, the way we trade in a trade, we reverse it, and then it covered our loss, and it got stopped out at break even for a second half. So that's basically was a flush trade. I did take this trade again to the upside. I did expect for the market to run up because such a strong move to the top. Market did not give us that opportunity. So I learned in the trading room to be able to take your first target, which would have covered your first target would have been up here. I was holding it for longer, and I got stopped out, maybe like minus $200 in this one. Then I recovered. Those of you that got out the first half was a break even in the second half, so you were still positive in the first one. Then also presented an opportunity to go short on this one. We did take the short in our trading room. I just took my first target because I thought my bias sometimes kills you in this in trading, and I just took out my first target, but I continued running, which unfortunately ran without me. And so then we were bouncing against this bottom trend line. I wanted to see a rejection to the downside. Did stab this to the short side because I was coming against the trend line that we have over here that we have drawn. Got my first target, stopped out on my second half. And then as I was rejecting this bottom trend line, as I was building the higher lows and higher highs, I thought we are going to get a run to the upside, which it did. I took a stab to the long side in this area, got stopped out on this bar, and then re-entered again and hit both of my targets on the day. And then as it broke the trend line, both of the trend lines, as it broke to the downside, I missed this initial move right here, but I did capture this last trade of the day, and it hit both of my targets, and I was done. Today sitting up $905 on the day. So that's basically how we trade. We trade price action, trade channels, levels. Once we see rejections of those, we like to take advantage of the move. And today we had a crazy movement in the price action. Very volatile, but unfortunately not as many trades as I wanted to. Still green on the day. I'm happy with that. So if you guys want to know more of what we do, how we trade, you can join with us live on YouTube, or message us, comment below, and we will get you into the room. It's a free trading room. We trade only 2 hours out of the day, and then we go about our day for the rest of that. And so stay safe, everybody. Lock in those gains, and we hope to see you tomorrow, 6:15 Pacific Standard Time, YouTube live, or on in our trading room. Hope to see you guys there. Bye.